everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can order your physical Payoneer account. So here I'm currently at the Payoneer support center. So in here you will see the step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So depending on your location, you will be able to order the card during the application process or from the online account once the application process is completed. So to order a card from your online account, you just have to sign into Payoneer, select the Payoneer cards, and then click order card and follow the instructions. So alternatively, you can click the order card menu item located at the top right of your the screen, and then you just have to follow the instructions. And then if you're ordering your first card, you will be able to have the option to order your card via express shipping. Just please take note that if you cannot see the order card button, please refer to this question for eligibility conditions. So if you want to know, you just have to click on this one. And that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!